going to be filming and trying out nature cereal. This is Deja, my cousin. Isn't she a gem? Okay. So we got the pomegranate, you know, arrows, blueberries, blackberries, and coconut water. And I just wanted to try this because I feel like y'all be hyping stuff up, and then I be trying stuff and I don't be agreeing. So we finna see if we agree, because y'all extra out there.
I think she means to say she's picky.
Yeah, I am picky too. Like with movies, people be, oh my gosh, that movie's amazing. And then you watch the movie and it's like, y'all serious? Like Coming to America 2, trash.
Did you like the first one?
Yeah, did you?
Okay. Yes.
Did you like the second one?
Watch it.
Don't watch it.
Okay.
Okay, so first we're gonna get this blueberries. There you go. And these are probably the best part. Want some ice in yours?
No. It's too nice.
It's too nice.
Let's do no ice.
Oh. Blackberries.
Oh.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
What are you nervous for?
It's gonna be nasty.
You don't like anything. But you do like fruit.
Okay, here you go.
You might not like, do you like coconut water?
Yeah, I had a drink when I was pregnant.
Okay, well, it'll be fine.
Ooh, that look nasty.
You do look nasty. I don't put any pomegranate in here yet.
Go ahead. Oh, it stinks.
This smells like alcohol.
Yeah.
Why sound like that, man? I'm freaking.
Jamie Foxx.
No.
Okay, let's try it. Let's taste it. Show it. Whoopsie. Okay. I'm nervous. What does this taste like without it? Cause y'all,
It's just
it
fruit
tastes
and water.
like regular fruit. Y'all irk. Let me try it.
But trees like this are good because it forces people to eat fruit.
The only difference is I don't usually eat the seeds in this, and I'm eating the seeds today.
Is it pomegranate only seed?
Yeah, people usually spit it out.
Oh, you mean like chew it?
Yeah, they usually don't eat the seeds.
Oh.
So this is good. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. But people having it up like, oh my gosh, so good. It just tastes like fruit.
It must not eat fruit.
Yeah. So this is our review. It tastes like regular fruit with a splash of water in it. You can do this without, you can taste the same thing without the water in it and just eat it, you know, because I just tried a pomegranate by itself and it tastes the same. So I feel like people hyping this up once again, like everybody does for everything. And that's my review. You got anything else?
I say you probably should have added strawberries. And now I'm thinking about it, the strawberries would have made it a little bit sweeter. You gonna be my answer?
No. But yeah.
But fruit, I feel like you can do this like with any fruit and it would be good. Probably not bananas though, because it'd be wet.
This would be good with cantaloupe.
Yes, I agree.
Alright, y'all. If you like this review, like, comment, subscribe. This is real, raw, uncut. This ain't no sugar coating. Ooh, it's so good type video. Thank y'all for watching.